All right, folks, I am in the office today and we are going to be unboxing the DJI Mic Mini, which I got to go with my little vlog camera here because I noticed the audio is not that great on this one, and I was using a shotgun mic on my last video, which I do the Tech Rundown podcast on Fridays, and I didn't like the audio with the shotgun, so I really wanted to get something a little cleaner with the audio. This comes with, here you can see on the box, a receiver, a transmitter charging dock, a compact carrying pouch, clip magnet. The wires should go on the camera, and mobile phone adapter, and a windscreen, 2 windscreens. So quite a few things in there, and got this for $45, which is not bad. Not a bad price at all. I just watched a video on all the things that I could do with it, so I'm excited. You can use it on your phone, you could use it on your camera, you could use it on your laptop. I actually kind of wish I got this before I got this mic that I have right here, because I really needed something that connected with my vlog camera, because I do like the color on my vlog camera versus on this that I'm filming with, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket. I've been really trying to get into doing things myself when it comes to photography, because it's a really useful skill to have in journalism, which, as you guys know, I'm a journalist here in the nation's capital in DC, and you know, you never know when you may need to pull out your camera, get an interview, so it's really helpful to have. So this is the windscreen. These are the wires. These are the charger. This is the charger that you can connect directly to the mic. And this is the mic. It's like very little. Honestly, is it? There you go. Can you see it? It's very tiny. Very tiny, but I really like it. It looks pretty cool. And I was wondering what this magnet was about, but apparently this magnet you could use if you don't want to clip it directly to your clothes or something like this. Even if you don't want to clip it, you can put the magnet in the back, and then you can put it on top. See? And it fits just the same, which is really nice. And yeah, pretty cool. Hey, Caitlin, happy Monday. So just all right, let me take it off for a second because that magnet's pretty strong. I want to clip this on the top of the mic. You get 2 windscreens, which is pretty cool. It's nice to have 2 of everything. You never know when you may lose something. Aha. So now it's pretty cute. Yeah, I get excited about this stuff because yeah, it's just a really great skill to have, to be able to shoot your own stuff. So I can also connect this to my phone via Bluetooth, which I'm going to be testing that out as well. And this connects with the receiver to the camera. So you can slide this into the top, which is nice, of the camera, and you turn it on. Turning on my camera. I'm shooting on this one and shooting on the other one. Okay. Alright. Turned on my camera. Alright, and I'm going to turn on the receiver until it turns green. Oh, the power button is on the other side. Well, that's good to know. I definitely thought I would have to charge these by now, but apparently it looks like it's pretty charged. So that's the receiver. It's on. And it would be nice if I connected it. So let's connect this to the camera. And put this over here. All right. See what we got. Let's go to video mode. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check on the DJI Mini. Is it working? How does it sound? We stopped recording. Let's hit play on that. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check on the DJI Mini. Is it working? How does it sound? Sounds pretty crisp, and I really like that, actually. I'm very excited about that. So that is the unboxing of the DJI Mini. This is the camera that I use a lot, and I'll put some links in the comment section, or in the description rather, showing you where you can get this. It could cost a lot more if you want a bigger kit, and I was thinking it was going to cost a lot more, but because I just got, you know, a simple kit, the $45 version, because I already had a lot of equipment already, so I just needed something to make this audio crisp, and I think we found it. So that's great. Oh, let me try it. Let me try it on my phone. Okay, so I just watched the DJI video again. So once you hold the pair button, it's supposed to flash between green and blue, and then it will come up under my devices here, and then you can connect. So I'm still waiting for it to show me the device. I just saw that it was pretty easy on DJI's. Oh, I see it. It's at the very bottom here on my devices list. So let's tap that, and it says once it's in use, it's going to be full blue. So let's see if it's in full use. It is connected. Let's test it out on my phone here. DJI Mini test 1, 2, 3 unboxing video. So just posted a new video on my channel right now talking a little bit about the DJI Mini and my thoughts on it, what I like about it, why I got it. Check that out right now. Let me know what you want to see more of. Alright, so that was the video. I may post this on my real Instagram video. So just posted a new video on my channel right now talking a little bit about the DJI Mini and my thoughts on it, what I like about it, why I got it. Check that out right now. Let me know what you want to see more of. Alright, so that was pretty good, pretty crisp. I like it. So that's my review on it so far. I like it. You know, going back and forth between the pairing, pretty easy, and it was pretty affordable. So this is a mic that you may see a lot on social media as well. A lot of people like to have these mics, so that's another thing happening, trending right now. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of. Thanks for watching.